Hi, I'm Stu Clark, Research Director at TERRO, and today I'm really excited to show you our latest TERRO Wasp and Fly Trap plus fruit flies. Like the rest of the products in the TERRO brand, it works. So how does it work? Well, let's start out with the lures. With this product, there's 2 lures and 2 traps. You've got a fruit fly lure to attract and kill fruit flies right in this little bottle, and you've got a wasp and fly trap lure. That's right, wasps. You just need the scissors, you cut it, pour it, add a little extra water, take the fruit fly trap and lure, thread it in, you close it, okay? And then you'll see what we call the bug lock lid. Because remember, this thing, you may need to change it out. After it gets filled up with yellow jackets, you're gonna wanna dump it out, add some more lure. Before you do, to ensure that you don't get bit, you want to close this lid. That shuts off, and then you shake it. That'll drown all the insects so that you can safely open it up and rebait it. And oh, by the way, another nice thing about this product is it's stink-free. If you've ever put up a lot of housefly traps specifically, they stink horribly. You can smell them in the retail shelf when you're actually looking for them. This one doesn't. The bait we were able to formulate is stink-free, which is really nice. And I think you'll really enjoy the ease with which this product works. TERRO Wasp and Fly Trap plus fruit flies.